IMPERA, BW Converting's next-generation roll wrapper, engineered for speed, flexibility, and tool-free format changeover.
When we set out to develop IMPERA, we had one clear goal: to build a machine that our customers could rely on every day, without complexity, without unnecessary downtime. We wanted format changeover to be something any operator could handle confidently, quickly, and without using any tools. What Veljko and the engineering team have delivered is exactly that, and even more.
This machine delivers fast and efficient format changeover, reducing setup times by half. Complete process is fully recipe-driven and guided from the HMI, while all the movement is automatically performed by servo motors. Every axis moves simultaneously and precisely, eliminating manual adjustment and reducing the risk of human error. The launcher system is designed for maximum flexibility. Starting at 90 mm, the system smoothly accommodates rolls up to 200 mm in diameter across all 4 lanes. For larger diameters, the outer lanes support rolls up to 250 mm, thus giving operators the range they need without any structural modification. Carbon rods with an integrated spring system allow a single operator to quickly remove and reposition components with minimal effort. Color-coded belts further simplify the process, ensuring fast and intuitive placement. The back plate is designed to cover the full format range and automatically adjusts in both width and depth. Foil support rods automatically adjust their spacing in line with the position of the film holders, ensuring consistent and reliable control throughout the entire changeover process, with zero manual intervention required. The overhead finger system is designed to handle all formats, up to 4 rolls in depth for bathroom rolls and 2 for kitchen towels. 2 fingers adjust depth position automatically, eliminating the need for manual repositioning. When deeper configurations are required, additional fingers can be easily added by the operator. The machine operates on just 2 pitch sizes with 1:2 ratio, keeping the system simple and flexible. Watching the full format changeover on IMPERA reveals the true power of this design. Every component moves simultaneously: tunnel, folding tools, fingers, film holders, transport plates. All driven by servo motors, all controlled from single recipe on the HMI. Universal side folding tools are designed to handle all package heights without any component change. This reduces changeover time and simplifies operators' workflow, regardless of the package dimensions. Film cutting system is equally operator-friendly. Both knife and anvil cartridges can be easily removed and reinstalled. Knife height adjustment is performed manually via fine threaded spindle with clear counter for precise position. The folding area is engineered to handle the full format range with precision. Standard pack dimensions reach up to 600 mm in width and depth and up to 390 mm in height. Bottom sealing is performed at the next index step, which significantly improves the quality of the final package.
IMPERA represents everything we believe in bevel converting: smart engineering, operator-friendly design, and deep understanding of what our customers actually need on their production floor. This is not just a new machine. This is our commitment to the future and to every customer who has placed their trust in us.
IMPERA, engineered for performance, designed for people.